Mia's gonna dance to Beyonce. She loves Beyonce, right, Mia? And how old are you gonna be tomorrow?
4.
4 years old? When's your birthday? What day?
May 29.
Aww. I love you, Mia. She's gonna do some dances.
Men have been given the chance to rule the world.
Right, Mia?
Our revolution has begun. Let's build a nation. Women everywhere.
She's wearing a flower girl dress that doesn't even zip her up in the back because it's too bit small for her. Dance, Mia. Make no way to the world, to the world. She's not hiding. She gets scared at this part. Dance, Mia. Dance. Girls, dance, Mia. I need you to dance for me. Can I see your face? Hi, Rock. Rocco's dancing. Oh no, he's spinning around. Bring it back to business. Bring it back to business. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. I love you guys. You don't want me to turn it off? Whoa! Ho! What's with the eyes? Hi! Peekaboo. Peekaboo. May I love you.
I'm gonna be 4 years old.
You're gonna be 4 years old.
It's not gonna believe it.
I know, I can't believe it.
I'm
Sing to 10. Count to 10 in Spanish real quick. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. All right, I'm going. Say bye, Rocco. Say bye, Rock. Say bye-bye, Mama. Say bye, Mommy. Say bye, Mommy. Can you say bye to me? Say bye-bye. Hi.
My name is Rapunzel.
Bye. Back to Bennett. Say bye, Mia. Say bye, Rapunzel.
Bye.
Give me a kiss. Bye. Woo.
I'm going on the
Whoa.
bed.
Bye, Rocco. Say bye.
I'm going on the bed.
What's he doing? Okay. No, come down.
My name is Rapunzel.
Woo.
Look it. My name is Rapunzel.
Oh, she has no shoes on, Rapunzel. Come down, babe.
No, I want to do the thing I did.
Who run this mother? Girls. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at me. Look at me. Hurry up. I gotta turn it off. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hurry up. Say bye. Say bye to me.
Bye. Goodbye.